Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be installing a lace front wig for you guys, so definitely stay tuned to see how I do what I do. The reason why I have my edges tied down is because I brushed them down and I want them to stay in place, so I tied them down to allow it to, lay how I want it and stay where I want it. To lay my edges, I use some gel because that will definitely lay better under the wig than using jam, so definitely this is a time for gel. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company called Nadula, and before I go on, a big shout out to them because they were the first hair company I worked with when I just started my channel. In the box I got this cute headband with these little rhinestone on it. It's not a headband wig, but I don't know, they sent it to me, I'm gonna use it. I also got this wig cap, or I think I got 2 wig cap from them. No, actually it's 1. I got this brush to lay my edges. I'm definitely gonna be needing this. They also sent me this really cute dazzling pair of earring. I think it is so nice. I can't say it's my style, but you never know. Maybe some kind of occasion comes up and I'll wear it. I also got this pair of lashes from them, which I'm gonna be wearing in the video today. They sent me this nice silk bag to store my hair in when I'm not wearing it. I'm definitely gonna be needing this bag. And last but not least, this is the hair that I'm going to be reviewing today. I actually really love the color so far. I think the color is so beautiful and I think it's going to go well with my skin tone. I don't know, but I really love it. The hair itself is really nice and full. It's bouncy, as you can see. It looked real frizzy, but I'm gonna have to do some work to it, and that's what I'm getting at right now with the mannequin. I'm gonna be plucking the front of it some, and I'm also gonna lay it down, just to get all them flyaways out the way, so it'll be more easier for me to install when I'm ready to install it. So what I have in the bottle spraying on it is water, leave-in conditioner, and oil, and I'm just using this to lay the hair down. When I pluck the hair while it's wet, it just makes everything so much easier. So I took my first section out, a very small layer in the front, and then I'm using my tweezer to pluck it, and I'm gonna go ahead and take another small section out and then pluck it, and I'm gonna keep doing that until I feel like I pluck enough. So now I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up because it's gonna take a while plucking this. So right here that I'm pointing at is where the lace stops. Because it's a T-part wig, it doesn't go back any further than that. Now I'm going to show you guys both sides, what they look like now that I pluck one, and I'm going to go ahead and pluck the other. I'm going to go ahead and put this wig cap onto my head and get it ready to put my wig on. Since the color of my wig cap is so light and it doesn't match my skin tone at all, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation on it, and this will even it out. Now that I have the stocking cap in a shade that's much lighter and it's now matching my skin tone a little bit better, I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. What you see me doing here is I'm trimming a little extra off of the wig so that it could fit over my ears properly. And I'm gonna be doing this to both sides. Now I'm slitting the front of the lace so it will be easier for me to fold it up while I add the glue onto my skin. Today I'm going to be using this Ghost Bond glue that I really wish I didn't use. Now I'm going to fold the lace up and I'm going to use these little pins to clip them in place and hold them there while I apply the glue and wait for it to dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue, and I'm going to be doing a really thin layer because I'm going to do 3 layers, so I'm going to make sure all 3 of them is very thin. Also, when I'm drying it, I want it to dry nice and clear and not have any white residue leaving back behind. But for some reason, the reason why I was saying that I'm sorry I used this glue, I usually use the Got2b glue free spray and it works perfectly fine for me. But for some reason, I decided to use this today, and I don't know, maybe it's old or something because I have it for a while, but it just wasn't working in my favor at all. So this is the 3rd layer I'm adding on. I skipped past the 2nd layer because, you know, we just have to save whatever time we can to speed up this video. So yeah, this is the 3rd layer I'm gonna put on, and when I put this one on, I'm not gonna dry it completely. I'm just gonna dry it a little bit before putting the lace down on it. Now I'm ready to put the lace down on it, and when I do put it down, I'm gonna hold it in place and then I'm gonna go ahead and dry it completely with the dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the side, which I already add the glue on for 3 layers. So now I'm just putting the lace down on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and dry it also until it's completely dry. I just want to point out that I said completely dry, but it doesn't completely dry when you put the lace down on it and start to dry with your blow dryer. You definitely have to tie it down after this and let it sit for, you know, let it stay for a while, and that's when it really gets, you know, how you want it, like get dry and not move. So me saying completely dry was totally wrong, but I mean, I guess you get the picture. I'm gonna go ahead and take out a small section of hair to make my baby hair, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm only gonna be doing 2, 1 on each side, and this is because I don't feel like going crazy with it today. As you notice, I don't trim my baby hair, and usually when I do my lace wigs, I don't do that. I don't know, I just don't like it. I just sweep them right back into the rest of the hair. To lay them down, I'm going to be using some mousse and a little bit of gel, and that's going to lay them in place just the way I want it. Now I'm moving on to doing my sideburns, and as for these, yes, I'm going to cut them because it definitely would look ridiculous if I didn't. Now I'm using the same mousse and gel to slick it down. Now that I have my edges laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and tie down the front of my hair so everything could dry nicely. While the front of my hair is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the rest of it. This is gonna save me some time with doing my hair. The first thing I'm gonna do is brighten up my parting using some foundation. Now I'm gonna use my hot comb and lay the center down around the parting so it could look more natural. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl the entire hair, and to do this I'm gonna be using my flat iron. The hair definitely came with its own curl pattern, but I want to curl it my way, so this is the reason why I'm curling it even though it already have curls in it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go finish curling my hair off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. And bam! Oh my god, what you guys think? I was not expecting it to look this good. I know. The sides came out looking great too. I was not expecting that because I really did not like the way the glue was acting up with me, but you know, I did my thing and I feel like it came out looking really good, even better than I expected it. And I love the color in the hair so much. I just love the blend of black and brown in it. It looks so good. It goes well with my outfit too, and I guess I could say it goes well with my makeup, of course, but it looks so good to me. But I would love to hear what you guys think. I feel so stunning, not gonna lie. Again, this hair is from Nadula, and I will leave all the information in the description box below, so definitely go check that out if you're interested. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!